everybody, we're back with another video today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face mask two different ways. So the first way, you're going to take a t-shirt, could be a long sleeve shirt as well. You're going to take it like this, put it on your face like this, grab the sleeves, wrap it around your head like this, put a knot in it, don't make it too tight. Explain why in a second. And it's because you're gonna have to follow the shirt all the way up until you get to the neck part. Pull it over your head and you got a mask. I want to do it inside out though. Alright, so the second way, grab the t-shirt like this, put it over your head just like you're gonna wear it, like this. So before you put your head through the hole, you're gonna grab the sleeves again, same thing, tie it around your face. Little adjustment and you're good to go.